Good morning, class 5th. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, class, this is your maths period, and today we'll do worksheet of mental maths. Today we'll do a revision of fractions in our mental maths book. Okay? So, open your mental maths book and come to worksheet number 24, which is on page number 24. Write down today's date. What is the date today? 2nd of November 2020. Write down classwork. So today we'll solve a worksheet of mental maths, worksheet number 24. Okay? So take a rough notebook for the rough calculations. Now question 1. Which is greater? This is a question of comparison. So A, B, C, D. A upon B, C upon D. 3 upon 5 or 4 upon 7. Which one is greater? Now take your rough notebook. 3 upon 5 or 4 upon 7. So this is A, B, C, D. Now earlier I have told you 3 rules that if AD is equals to BC, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. And if AD is less than BC, then the answer is A upon B is less than C upon D. And if AD is greater than BC, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. So firstly, multiply A and D. So AD is equals to 3 into 7, 7 3s are 21. Now BC, 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, which means AD is 21 and BC is 20. So AD is greater than BC. So I have told you a rule that if AD is greater than BC, so answer क्या होगा? A upon B is greater than C upon D, which means A upon B is greater than C upon D. So greater is 3 upon 5. Similarly, you have to do part B. Now next question. Write two equivalent fractions of. Now what are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions means fractions that name the same amount are called equivalent fractions. So multiply both the numbers, numerator and denominator, by 2. So 5 2s are 10 upon 7 2s are 14. Similarly, multiply by 2, numerator and denominator both. So 11 2s are 22 upon 13 2s are 26. Similarly, do part 3. Okay. Now question 3, find the sum. So you have to add the fractions. You know how to add the fractions. Part A, 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. So take LCM 2 and 5. LCM will be 10. Now 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. 2 को 10 बनाने के लिए 2 के टेबल में 10 कब आता है? 5. So multiply by 5. And 5 के टेबल में 10 कब आता है? 2. So multiply it by 2. Now 1 5s are 5 upon 2 5s are 10 plus 3 2s are 6 upon 5 2s are 10. Same, 5 plus 6 is equals to 11 upon 10. So the answer is 11 upon 10. Now similarly you have to do part B, part C and part D. Okay. Now find the difference. Now in for question 4 you have to subtract the fractions. You know how to subtract the fractions, right? Part A is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 8. Find LCM. 8 and 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2, which means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 8. ये तो ऑलरेडी 8 है. इसको 2 को 8 बनाने के लिए 2 के टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 4 टाइम्स. 1 को भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो 1 4s are 4 upon 2 4s are 8. Subtract 1 upon 8. Now denominators are same. So subtract the numerators. So 4 minus 1, 3 upon 8. So answer is 3 upon 8. Similarly, you have to do part B, part C and part D. Okay. Now question number 5 and question number 6. Find the product. Product find out कैसे करते हैं हम? Part A is 3 upon 5 multiply by 5 upon 11. So this is the question. So part A is, firstly, these are in mixed fraction, so we'll change it into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 and 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5 multiply by 11 5s are 55. 55 plus 5, 60 upon 11. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now 18 upon 1 multiply by 12 upon 11. Multiply 18 and 12. So 18 and 12 को अगर हम multiply करेंगे 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Multiply by 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, 6, 8 9 10 11 and 1 plus 1 2. So 216 upon 11. Now divide 216 by 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. So 11 1s are 11. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1. Copy down this 6. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66, 11 7s are 77, 11 8s are 88, 11 9s are 99. Subtract it. 6 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 6, so we'll take one borrow from the 0, which makes the 6 16 and the 0 will become 9 and this 1 will become 0. Now 16 minus 9, 7, very good. 9 minus 9, 0 and 0. So answer is quotient remainder upon divisor. So quotient is 19, remainder is 7 upon divisor is 11. So answer is 19 7 upon 11. Similarly, you have to do part B and part C. Now question number 6. Find part A is 1 upon 12 of 48. This is the question. 1 upon 12 of 48. So 1 upon 12 of की प्लेस पे क्या आ जाता है? Multiply 48. Now 48 के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं तो we'll consider it as 1. Now 12 1s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So answer is 4. 4 upon 1 means 4. Now similarly you have to do part B, part C, part D, part E and part F. So this is worksheet 24 which I have explained you children. Now you have to solve this worksheet, use a rough notebook for calculations and then send me your work through WhatsApp. Do your work in a very neat and clean handwriting and after that send your work through WhatsApp. Okay class? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.